Hello everyone and welcome to Level Up English with Teacher Ashley Hale. In our lesson today, we are going to have lots of fun discussing 10 sea animals. So these are animals that are found in the ocean. Do you love animals? I love all animals. I hope you will have lots of fun as we learn about 10 awesome sea animals. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest English lessons and videos. That's it. Hit subscribe. Let's get started. Number 1. This is a dolphin. Let's say it together. Dolphin. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like dolphins. I like dolphins. Or we can say, I don't like dolphins. I don't like dolphins. Can you try? I like dolphins. I don't like dolphins. Well done. That's it. Number 2. This is a shark. Let's say it together. Shark. Shark, shark, shark. Let's make a sentence together. I like sharks. I like sharks. Or we can say, I don't like sharks. I don't like sharks. Can you try? I like sharks. I don't like sharks. Very good. Number 3. This is a whale. Let's say it together. Whale. Whale, whale, whale. Let's make a sentence together. I like whales. I like whales. Or we can say, I don't like whales. I don't like whales. Can you try? I like whales. I don't like whales. Very good. Number 4. This is a swordfish. Let's say it together. Swordfish. Swordfish, swordfish, swordfish. We can say, I like swordfish. I like swordfish. Or, I don't like swordfish. I don't like swordfish. Can you try? I like swordfish. I don't like swordfish. Good. Number 5. This is a jellyfish. Let's say it together. Jellyfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Let's make a sentence together. I like jellyfish. I like jellyfish. Or we can say, I don't like jellyfish. I don't like jellyfish. Can you try? I like jellyfish. I don't like jellyfish. Good. Number 6. This is an octopus. Let's say it together. Octopus. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the octopus. I like the octopus. Or we can say, I don't like the octopus. I don't like the octopus. Can you try? I like the octopus. I don't like the octopus. Fantastic work! That's it! Number 7. This is a starfish. Let's say it together. Starfish. Starfish, starfish, starfish. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like starfish. I like starfish. Or we can say, I don't like starfish. I don't like starfish. Can you try? I like starfish. I don't like starfish. Well done. Number 8. This is a clownfish. This is a clownfish. Let's say it together. Clownfish. Clownfish, clownfish, clownfish. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like clownfish. I like clownfish. Or we can say, I don't like clownfish. I don't like clownfish. Can you try? I like clownfish. I don't like clownfish. Excellent work. Number 9. This is a seahorse. Let's say it together. Seahorse, seahorse, seahorse. Now let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like seahorses. I like seahorses. Or we can say, I don't like seahorses. I don't like seahorses. Can you try? I like seahorses. I don't like seahorses. Very good. Number 10. And the final sea animal of this lesson is a crab. This is a crab. Let's say it together. Crab, 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 crab. Now, let's make a sentence together. I like crabs. I like crabs. Or we can say, I don't like crabs. I don't like crabs. Can you try? I like crabs. I don't like crabs. Excellent work today. Let's review what we have learned in this lesson. Number 1, dolphin. Number 2, shark. Number 3, whale. Number 4, swordfish. Number 5, jellyfish. Number 6, octopus. Number 7, starfish. Number 8, clownfish. Number 9, seahorse. And number 10, crab. Wow, well done in our lesson today. I must say you did a fantastic job. Keep up the good work and I'll see you for our lesson next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest English lessons from your favorite teacher, Teacher Ashley Hale. Keep up the good work, and this is Teacher Ashley Hale signing out from Level Up English. Bye!